All right, Travel Vida fam, I am here in the United States with Leslie. For those of you who have been following the channel, you know that Leslie has not been able to enter the US for, well, her whole life. So now she's here after a long-awaited, strenuous process, but we made it through, and today we're going out camping. We're gonna do it locally here in Las Vegas, and we're picking up the Airstream, the Basecamp 20X. And we're gonna have some fun this weekend. We have some friends in town, so we're gonna hang out at the Oasis Resort RV Park. This is one of the closest RV parks to the Strip, so you're gonna have an opportunity to come along with us and hang out and, well, check out the RV trailer and check out the Oasis Resort near the Strip. Let's go.
Vámonos.
And where travel?
Vida.
Hi, I'm Chris with Travel Vida, ready to break free from the ordinary. Join me as we dive into world wonders, savor exotic flavors, and chase breathtaking views, one forgettable adventure at a time. Let's explore the world together.
All right, so you want to give a little bit of tension to this chain here, and then you want to crisscross it. The reason you get tension is so that it lifts up from the road a little bit, and then once you hook the chains up, after you drop the pin down, we just got to hook up the handbrake that connects. I've got an additional handbrake in my vehicle, which will slow us down in case we need it. Gives us little extra brakes. And always take these with me in case the elevation isn't good enough to raise the trailer. So we'll throw that back here with some of our other supplies. Necessities for the weekend, like cervezas. But yeah, let me come around to the other side and I'll fix that. All right, should be good to go. Just gonna remove the chop blocks over here and then we'll be good to go. All right, we are all hitched up. We're ready to go, taking our vehicle and the base camp from the storage unit where we have here in Nevada, and we are about to take off. So let's go on this journey. Leslie, you ready?
I'm ready. Vámonos.
Listo, vámonos.
And just like that, after a pleasant drive down the highway, we rolled into the Oasis Las Vegas RV Park. You know, in a city as sprawling as Las Vegas, location is everything, and this place nails it. It's nestled right near the I-15 interstate, which is a major artery, making it incredibly easy to get around. That strategic positioning means we're just a 10-minute drive from the buzzing energy of the world-famous Las Vegas Strip. And for those looking the iconic Caesars Palace, it's a comfortable 15-20-minute drive, approximately 6.5 miles. It's the perfect balance, really. Close enough to the action to be convenient, but just far enough to enjoy a bit of peace and quiet when we want it. We're excited to explore everything this location has to offer.
All right, we just checked in. They were very hospitable. I've been here once before, so I didn't get content for you guys at that time. I was just kind of testing out the travel trailer. But today we're back. We've just got our spot. We got spot number 22. So we're gonna head over there now and get settled in and unpack. We got 4 of these. We have manual jacks. Of course, you can get a drill with a bit at the end to let these down. The 4 stabilizers. All right, so first challenge, went to go turn on the heater. It's a little brisk today, and it's gonna be cold tonight for sure. I'm sure it's gonna dip down into at least the 40s, if not the 30s, and we have no gas. So I don't know if I had a slow leak. I barely used the tank. This is only the second time taking this out, so I'm gonna check and see if the Oasis campground has any gas. So I'll let you know in just a moment. All right, here we are at Oasis without gas tanks, and again, I only used a little bit of gas, and supposedly Airstream filled them up for me, and they probably actually did. However, if I didn't tighten them up or close them when I stored my RV, then yeah, you can have gas leaks. So I don't know if somebody was taking our gas where I was parked, or if maybe they were open and then there was a slow leak, which is probably the case. So thankfully here at the Oasis RV Park, they actually have a service from 6 to 6:30 p.m. where I can go and have the tanks refilled. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and hopefully we can get our heat up and running because it's starting to get a little brisk here.
The next morning, we woke up feeling ready for adventure. The weather wasn't perfect, it was cold. But that didn't stop us from exploring the resort with Leslie. The lobby was a comfortable space with sofas, a souvenir shop, and best of all, direct access to the pool. We'll be checking out the pool later in the video though.
Good sized store.
For now, we're going to take a quick look at the Oasis Cafe. It has fantastic views of the surroundings, so you can enjoy the scenery while having a snack or a drink. Now, let's get ready for the exciting adventure we have planned for tonight. Right now, we're having a blast at Coyote Ugly in Las Vegas with some friends. Known for its female bartenders, bar top dancing, and body shots, this lively saloon is a popular spot for a fun night out. With friends by my side, the fun is guaranteed. Just a heads up, it's open until 3 a.m. on most nights. Located on the second floor of the New York Hotel and Casino on Las Vegas Boulevard, it's a must visit for anyone seeking a vibrant Vegas experience. After experiencing the energy here firsthand, I can confidently say that if you're looking for a fun and energetic night out in Las Vegas, Coyote Ugly is a fantastic option.
So right now I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of the pool area. We are here in January 2025. By the time you see this, it'll probably be a few months from now. However, during this time frame, as you can imagine, not too many people hanging out by the pool. We've been dipping down recently into the 20s and 30s at night, so it's been pretty chilly. That being said, obviously you get a lot of sun for at least half of the year, where the pool makes a lot of sense. Also, I think they have mini golf. They have a nice little market inside, and if you do RVing, they do have like supplies, and they have food and drinks. They sell beer and liquor, all kinds of snacks, and obviously you got souvenirs in there as well, some hats, some clothes, and all that good stuff. So we'll go check it out and see what you guys think. Let me know if you've been here before, and if you have any plans in the future coming here, but definitely recommended. It's a place that's one of the closest to the Strip. I think Circus, which we may check out one day, has an RV lot, but it's not necessarily a campground, at least from my understanding. So we'll go check it out, and yeah, let's see what it is. You got sand and everything. You have outdoor seating here. Little grill area. Now there is a code here, which I'm sure they would give me. However, I'm just gonna capture some video from over here. But as you can see, it's a very nice pool area. So apparently this is the family pool, and I believe up here we have the adults only pool. So we're gonna go check that out too. See if I can't find the mini golf that I was referring to. All right, let's flip you around here so you can see it. We have what I believe to be the adults only area. Now, when we got here, there was a wedding venue. And so this would be the chapel. And ironically, we met some friends who actually got married here many years ago. Very reasonable costs, nice backdrop, and if you're local, pretty convenient location. Looks like they have a hot tub over there. It does appear to be functioning today. As you can see, a small little sample. And then of course right here, it looks like this is where you have the mini golf. And the adults pool. You have a hot tub over here. And then this is the view of the family pool from another angle. Well, Leslie had to take off, and I'm about to get ready to equip everything and take off as well. We had a great few days. We spent a lot of time with our friends who were actually here from Ensenada, Mexico and California. So
We didn't get as much content as here as we would have hoped, but hopefully we gave you all a small impression of what it is to be at the Oasis RV Park. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Until the next one, we're gonna have many other new adventures with the base camp, and we're excited to bring you all along with us. Until the next time.